Hey my lovely people! Do you need 10-minute appetizer? Fried Camembert with SweetZivile habanero pepper jelly. Let me show you how I made it. I have here Camembert sliced in pieces. I popped in the freezer for maybe 10 minutes, so it's just easier to work with. So this is my breading station. I have flour, 3 eggs, and good amount of panko breadcrumbs. So what we need to do, we need to take each piece, put in flour, then in egg, in breadcrumbs, and return back to egg and back to breadcrumbs. So 2 times, egg and breadcrumbs, egg and breadcrumbs. As soon as it's golden brown and you start to see cheese spreading around, take it out. Alright, it's ready. Let's give it a try. So delicious. It's crispy outside, creamy inside, and habanero pepper jelly complements very, very well. I have tried with blueberry jam, not jam like kind of preserves. It worked very well as well. Cheers guys, I hope you're gonna like it as much as we do.